that people, you see it? Less than 2 hours them take and grade down the road. Not never hard the night, you know. They might make it look like it's difficult to grade down the road. And look on it. Less than an hour, you know, so the road grade down. People can traverse the road more smoother, you know, and easier. You see that? You see that? Right at Alexandra Park. People, you see that? The road grade down and the vehicle them can traverse the road 10 times better. Look at that. Not never hard the night. Nothing never hard the night, people. All them did have to do just run the grader and ease the traffic. But the traffic can traverse the road much easier. But may I tell you, look at that. So there's a little piece of stretch of road. Well, less than 15 seconds. That take you 5 minutes. You know, mine shop all 10 minutes if you have a big unit. I travel here just to drive over the road. The viewers and subscribers. Big super with there in Alexandra Park. And we just show you them grade down the road and traffic start to move much freer. Right down a Dumfries or so. Them grade off down here so too. And show the people them who are going. And them also grade off around a church corner too, you know. And you see how long we have to live with it that way there. Tell you. The people there where they are Dumfries, you see it? Pass through and them grade down the road. And it's a good look. But them take too long, man. That's the problem I have with them. Them take too long before them start to work. They need to organize them things and move on a more speedier schedule. You know, a whole lot of road them have to do. But they need to get this thing on. This A4 road, the link Kingston and St.Thomas. Portland, they need to get this road out of the way. ASAP. Get the people. Just come through the rugger. Stick and stay. Church Street, Church Corner, main road. You want to know people that know to the road and in Church Street. There's the Church Corner. Because you have a community out there named Church Corner. The road grade down also this side. Or other side let me look on and know, you know. or then just grade it down and left it. I feel it's a back to school strategy this, you know. You just grade it down and give them the impression say I come fix it and left it and gone. What age him is? 26. Young boy, man. Yeah, you notice that we are buried the youth, them said that the youth them are buried. People, like, share, subscribe. Let's do the right thing.